Well, it was such a beautiful day today, and I had great plans of making a video on another topic, but the weather was just so good. I just started gardening and kept going, and before I realised that I'd run out of time and didn't really want to rush myself in making a video. So I just thought I'd come out and do a quick little update on last week's video, which was the potting mix trial. Not a lot has happened. I can't see a great deal of evidence of things growing better or not better than others. The radish are all up, and I would say that the first two potting mixes, the cheaper potting mixes, the radish doesn't quite look quite as green as the other two. I'm still having trouble getting water through the Scott's potting mix. As you water, it just pools at the top and very slowly soaks through. All the others seem quite all right. This is the which one was this? This is the baby butter lettuce. I can't really tell it. They all look fairly good to me. There's plenty of nice dark green in the mini cos. So at the end of week one, not a great deal. The radish are up, and maybe, like I said, the two cheaper potting mixes, meh. The time will tell. Anyhow, that's week one. Just a quick update, and hopefully I'll have more time to make a decent video next week. All right, cheers.